Hi, welcome back to more news and innovative solutions in Check Point's new R82 software release. In this series, we will present VSNext, which, like its name, is the next step in evolution for virtual systems on Check Point security gateways. This video series will change your perception of how virtualization can help you organize and manage your network and take you from a high-level overview of why VSNext is unique to a deep dive into the setup and configuration of a VSNext environment. So what is VSNext? To those of you who already use and are familiar with the Check Point's products, VSNext is built on the foundations of two important technologies, VSX and Scalable Platform, and runs on top of Check Point's market-leading cluster solutions, ElasticXL and Maestro, further enhancing it. Simply put, VSNext is an environment that enables the creation of virtual systems within one physical security gateway appliance, which act as individual firewalls. Once created, the VSNext environment will independently know how to divide and allocate the gateway's resources like CPU, disk space, traffic, and so on between the virtual systems you set up. And this is where things become interesting and exciting because it gives you the ability to use Web UI, Command Line Interface, or Gaia API to perform any action in this virtual environment. We will dedicate an episode to each one of those techniques later in this series, and we will show how these actions like creating new virtual systems, virtual switches, virtual links, changing configuration, assigning or deleting interfaces, and more are done in each one of those methods. Each and every virtual system is treated like it is a gateway, down to establishing the secure internal communication for the first management connection. All the components are meshed together and synchronized perfectly to save the security admin time and concerns. For example, if the virtual systems are in a gateway that is part of a cluster, when adding a new one, it will sync the second member and replicate the new virtual system automatically. This way, there is no way for details to be overlooked or forgotten. And as I said, eliminating any concerns or worries associated with expanding or changing your network. Because virtual systems are considered as any other gateway, you will now be able to create gateway objects for each virtual gateway on different management servers, physical or in the cloud, and have them enforce their own policies and enable different security blades on each. In addition, the Insights tool we presented in episode 7 of the ElasticXL Under the Hood series will be available to monitor and enhance your experience using virtual systems. Now that you have an understanding of what VSNext is, and I'm sure you are beginning to comprehend the potential, let me save you the wondering and go straight into how this translates into new options, workflows, and features. So join me in the first episode of TME Under the Hood VSNext, where I will complete the introduction and tell you what else is waiting for you in this series. Thank you for watching and see you soon.